Hi, this is Arunachalam. Today let us analyze the stock JBM Auto Limited. So the stock gave a breakout and now it's very good for going long. So we can go long at current market price. So the stock is very good for short and long term. So there is no certain targets for long term. So you can hold till it breaks the 200 exponential moving average, or else you can also take 50-day exponential moving average. So write the trend using the moving averages, and for short term the stock may reach the price range of 800 to 1000 within a matter of 3 months. So this stock is very good for short term, and the stock gave a breakout here. So let me analyze the stock on multi time frame analysis. So this is the monthly chart of JBM Auto Limited. So the stock gave a breakout from a long term range. It's a long term downtrend actually. So the stock gave a breakout and now it started moving higher. So we can expect a good rally in the stock for short term, and for long term the stock is good and the business is good. So you can go long for long term also. So it's up to you. You consider long term, so enter the stock only after a good analysis. So let me draw the another trend line that govern the stock. So this can be taken as another trend line. So the stock gave a breakout from a rising wedge, and the stock is now struggling a bit at the resistance area. So this is not at all a problem. So one can take safe entry above the price range of 670. So safer entry can take entry above the price range of 670 alone, and for short term 800 to 1000 as a target. So the stock gave a breakout from a rising wedge, so it's bullish sign to go long. So now let's analyze the stock on weekly basis. So the stock was on the same range since March 21, and now the stock gave a breakout and it's in a retracement currently. So we can expect a good rally in the stock for short term. So currently the stock is trading around the price range of 613, and safe entry can take entry only above the price range of 670, so that you will get a good trend without any disturbances. So for short term you can expect the price range of 800 to 1000 as a target. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze the price entry and target of the stock. So before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description, and hit subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published. So in the daily chart, the stocks so in the daily chart the stock looks bullish. So the stock is currently in retracement, and look at the movement on downside. So the stock shows some bottoming out here. So this can be considered as a good bottoming out process, and the stock also gave a breakout here. So it's a breakout but it's looking quite weak. So we should enter the stock only when the stock breaks the price range of 630 or 640, or safe entry can take entry only above the price range of 670, so that you will get a good trend without any disturbances. So for short term we can expect the price range of 800 as a price action target. So let me use the Fibonacci extension tool to understand the price target in the stock. So let me take this as a retracement. So by taking this as a retracement, we can consider 670 as a entry. It's a primary entry for the stock, or else one can take current market price entry also. So you can also plan 50% of entry at current market price and another 50% of entry above the price range of 670, so that you will get a good averaging. So 670 can be taken as the main entry for the stock, and one can consider 767 around the price range of 770 as a primary target, and 894 around the price range of 900 can be considered as a main and secondary target. So the stock is very good for short term. So once the stock breaks the price range of 670, the stock will start moving higher. So there is huge scope for the stock. So you can enter that current market price and ride the trend till it breaks the 50-day exponential moving average, so that you will get a good rally without any disturbances. And the stock may move till the price range of 900 according to Fibonacci extension tool. So take entry above the price range of 670 for safe entry, or else take entry above the price range of 630 or 640, and one can consider the price range of 760 as a primary target, and 900 price range can be taken as the main target for the stock. So that entry at the price range of 670 will give almost a 34% upside when it reaches the main target. So the stock is bullish, and one can expect the stock till the price range of 900 very easily. So take entry above the 670 price range and primary target can be taken around the price range of 760 and main target is around the price range of 900. So the stock is bullish and one can go long for short term, and for long term you can ride the trend using the 50-day or 200-day exponential moving average. So if you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally thank you for watching our videos.